Okay, the recording is on. In the previous session, we have seen all kinds of operators. Okay. Now in this session, we'll be looking at conditional statements. Okay. For instance, if, else. All right. So let's start one by one. Okay. So in this session, you'll be learning, how to use, if statement in Dart to execute a code block based on a condition. Okay. So based on condition, whether or not to execute the code. Okay. So that, if statement, it is to execute code block based on a condition. So let's, see a little bit heavy here. Okay. So if statement, it is to execute a code block. Okay. So let's have a code block here. Let's say X is greater. Okay. This is a code block. And here we say Y is greater. Okay. So in this one, when to execute this code and when to execute this code. Okay. So when to say X is greater and when to say Y is greater. Okay. So it depends on the condition. So that condition is this condition, X greater than Y. So if this condition is true, it's executing X is greater. This condition is false. Okay. That means Y is greater. Okay. So this condition becomes false only when Y is, you know, greater. Okay, when x's value is greater than y, then this is 20. Okay, so let's put it in a you know in the if syntax. Okay, so this is the if syntax. We have if block here. Here we have else block. Okay, and remember, only one code block gets executed at one time. Okay, either if will be executing or else will be executing, and depends on this condition. Okay, so the program flow, it is decided by, okay, it's this condition. Okay, so that is this statement, if statement, this is called if statement. Okay, so it executes the code block based on a condition. This is the condition. Okay, all right. So now this can be written as like this. Okay, okay, let me help you. You have a screen, no? If expression. So remember this condition that you have written x greater than, that is called expression. Okay. So this is expression. You can put any expression here. Okay. So expression can be, so expression can be, you can use x greater than y. Okay. X equal y. Okay. So if the one of these condition you can use it in here. Okay. Depends on, let's say if you use x greater y in here. Okay. So in the if you have to say x is greater. If you use x less than y, okay, let's say you use here x less than y. If this is true, means x
Screen
is
uh,
smaller.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Screen is not displaying. Miss screen.
Oh, okay,
Please
okay, okay.
reshare.
Let me check recording as well. So recording is on. Okay. Only thing is screen is not showing. See, now in this case, x less than y. If this is true, means x is smaller, and that is false, means y is small. Okay, if you use this condition, x equals y, okay. So let's say if I put x double equals y, okay, that means we are doing comparison. We are checking two values, okay, x and y are equal or not. If this is true, means what you can say, x and y are equal. And this is false, means x and y values are not equal. Okay, are you following?
Yes.
Okay, you understand this part? So if expression, and now you can have as many statements as you want, okay? So we can have statement one here, we can write statement two, okay? We can have as many statements as we want, okay? So here we can print it, okay? This message, okay? Print and double quotation x and y are equal, okay? You understand? So this is if else, okay? So there are many applications that you can do using if else, okay? Are you following? Do you have a
Means we
voice?
are not. Yeah, voice is there. No,
Okay.
we are just looking at.
Okay. Now see if else syntax we will be looking at. Okay. So see here in this one, start your program starts. So first you check condition. Okay. See if condition is true, no. Okay. Then it goes to if block. Okay. If condition is false, no, it ends. This is the case of if statement, not if else. Okay. All right. You're following this. So this is like the code. Let me open up this document. Okay. This is like if statement. This is we are discussing if else. Okay. If statement is only one condition is there. Okay. Like if we say x equal y. Okay. Then we are saying we are saying print x and y are equal. You understand? So we don't have else here. Okay. We are saying when x and y are equal, then only print this. When they are not equal, we are not saying anything here. What to do? Okay. So this is only if block. Okay, so the flow chart is, for this one. You got it? Okay.
Yes.
All right. So now let's go for the next part. So that is you can build n number of application. You can build if even else program also out of this. Okay. Even odd. Okay. So even odd program you can do. I think we have seen this program, no? So x is 15. So we can check if we can put r, okay, x% y, x% 2, okay, and we check if r is equal 0, that means it's a even, okay. When remainder value r has 0, then it's a even number, right? It's a even number. And else we say then it's a odd. Okay, when we change this condition, okay, we say r equal to 1. That means we are checking if r has value 1. Okay, when r has value 1, it will be true. Okay, so that means it is going inside if. But remainder when you get 1, it's not even, it's odd. That's why you have to print odd message in if and even message in the else part. You got it?
Yes.
Understand now? Okay,
Yes.
so let's deal with like let's say Boolean value. Okay, so let's deal with that. See, we have Boolean value. We say is holiday. Okay, is it holiday? So we say yes, it's true. It's holiday. Okay, so we check if is holiday is true. You don't have to write here like this true. Okay, because it's all when it's already true. No, it's holding value true only by default. So you don't have to check. So if is holiday, that is enough. It's like is holiday equals true only. Okay, so we can say, let's, okay, let's play. All right, so it's holiday, let's play. Okay, so this is another program. Okay, we are here already have, we are not using expression, we are directly, using a boolean variable in here. Okay, and let's say this is false, no, then it's not going to give us output because there is no else part in here. Understand?
Yes.
So how to use logical and operator now? Okay, so you know there are conditions, such conditions. There is holiday. Okay, but it's raining. Now what to do? We cannot go outside and play, right? So in that case, we can use logical and. Okay, like this too. And okay, we can put one condition in here. Okay, and we can put another condition in here. Okay, let's say we can say, is it holiday? And it's raining. Okay, so in that case, what we can do? Okay, that we can decide it here. Okay, so let's use to create two variables in here. So boolean is holiday. Okay, and we put it as true. Okay, and then we say, whether the like atmosphere, or the you know the surrounding, is it like sunny, weather is sunny or rainy. Okay, so in that case we can use here string. Okay, because we need to put a string in here, so we can say it's a weather, we say it's sunny, rainy. Okay, so now we have to check both conditions. If is it holiday and it's sunny, weather equal to sunny. Okay. In that case, we can say, let's go out. Let's go outside. Okay. And this is one thing. Let's say it's holiday, but weather is rainy. Okay. So in that case, we will put in here, it's a rainy weather. Okay. So we need to have here weather rainy. Okay. So is holiday? Yes, it's true. And is weather is rainy? Okay, it's true. Then we cannot go outside. So we can say, let's play computer game. Okay, let's play computer games. You understand? So it's holiday and it's raining outside. We cannot go. Okay, outside. We cannot play outdoor games. So in that case, so here you understand this logical and operator we have seen in the conditional operator. Okay. All right.
Yes.
Okay. So now let's see other part. Okay. Like nested if. Okay. So nested if, here instead of writing two different if programs. Okay. And let's say someone asks you not to use this logical and. Okay. Let's say interviewer asks you not to use this logical and operator and create this program. So you can recreate this program this way. Okay. So you can write in here that boolean is holiday is equal to true. Spring weather, that you can put anything, rainy. For now, we will put rainy in here. And now we have to, okay, first check condition is holiday. Is it holiday? Okay, if it's holiday, then go inside. Go inside if, okay. Now you need to check one more condition. Is weather is sunny weather. Okay, It's sunny outside. So we can print here, okay, say let's go outside and play. Okay. And now when it's rainy season, okay, when it's raining and it's holiday, then we can say another if condition we can put in, and we can say print let's play computer game. So same program, we can rewrite, okay, with different flow. Okay, let's play computer games. So there's always another way of writing program. Okay, so this is called nested if. Okay, it's like nested means what? If within if. Look at here. We have two if statements inside this if statement. Okay, so when there is a holiday, then only it can check how is the weather. If there is no holiday, it's not going inside. Okay, there's no point in going inside. Okay, so if we say it's a false, it's not going inside and checking whether is equal to sunny or rainy. Or it will go inside and check whether it's sunny or rainy only when it's a true. I hope this part is clear to you.
Yes.
Okay. So we have seen if and we have seen if else. So let's say we can check if else one more part in here. Okay. So if else, we can check the flow of this if else. Okay. It's quite easy. We don't even need to check the flow chart in here. So we have to say boolean is holiday. Okay. Create one variable. We can say here true. Okay. And we can check if is holiday. Yes, is it true? We can say let's go outside. Okay. And if it's not holiday, in that case, what do we do? Okay, let's go to work. Else, we can say print. Let's go to work. Okay, so this is like simple if else statement. What happens if the value of this variable is true, then it's printing let's go outside. If the value of this variable is false, then it is going inside the else block. All right. So you can use two variables like is, weekend, weather again at this as the same way we have done it. Okay, before. Okay, there is again one more condition else if. Okay, it's also called ladder. Okay, that means there are multiple conditions to check. Okay, in that case you use else if. Okay, so like if one condition is wrong, okay, then you check another condition. Okay, if that condition is also wrong, you check another condition. If that condition is true, do something. Okay, if none of the conditions matches, in that case it goes to default. The default is else. Okay, so basically you can have condition 1, condition 2, condition 3. Okay, and finally else statement. So let me just put it here, so syntax for you. Okay, so let me clean this, and here we will put if else if, and this is the syntax. Okay, we have condition 1 in here. Okay, condition 2, when this condition is false, then only it's checking for condition 2. You understand? When this condition is wrong, then only it's checking this condition. You understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So, and when this condition is false and this condition is also false, in that case, it's going to this part. Okay. So this is quite easy. Okay. So we can check it any program in here. Okay. Like we can create, like it's a, let's say simple program, like converting a number. Okay. Let's say a variable we are having here x. So x's value we put it to. Okay. So let's say if it's 0, we can check here when x is 0. Okay, we can print here, right? Statement 1. Okay, when x is 0, we can print it's a Sunday. Or you can do a program of this. Okay, like number 2 words. Okay, so if it's a 1, we can print with spelling. Okay, so if it's a 0, we can print 0. Okay, so depend on the value of x, depend on this condition. If it's true, it prints 0. When this condition is true, okay, that means it is going to print it's 1. Okay, so what we are doing actually, we are printing spelling, we are not doing anything great in here. So we just copy and paste in here the code. Okay, and here we do write 2. Okay, and the spelling of 2. So what we are doing is basically, see, the value of x is 1. So here this condition is false. So in that case, it's going to the next condition. And this condition, it checks, is it true? X's value is 1. So 1 is equal to 1, true. And it's printing, it's spelling. And rest of the conditions and the else part, it is skipped. Okay, because whenever there is a match, it won't go further checking the X's value. Okay. So that is the case. When it's true, then this condition is false. This condition is false. And it's going forward to check this condition. This condition is true, that means it's printing this. Okay, message. All right, so this is a simple if else if program. Like what other programs you can create in here? Okay, what other programs you can create? You can create like months program. Okay, like say we can have string, we store it, and it's like it's a June, then we can say it's a rainy season. When it's May, we can say it's a summer season. Okay, so if we want to write that program, okay, in that case we need, so let me just put everything in comment this part. Okay, and write the program and run that program. Okay, all right, so comment it out everything, let me send it to you. It's not accepting the limit is 1,000 words. I'm sending this code to you. Okay, hold on. Give me only 10 seconds. Okay. Now we can delete this. All right. So in this one, what we can do is creating string. Okay, this is string variable 1. It's a month. So month is it's a June. Okay. So when it's a June, then we can write in here like 4 months is there. Okay. So we can say month is equal to let's start from June itself. Okay, June. If month is June, or you have to use your logical or. Okay, or it's July. Okay, or it's August, or it's September. Okay, All right. All right. So here, if the month is June, okay, let's take the variable value. It's a June. So when there is a matching here, okay. So variable value month, okay, let's write it completely. It is easy to pronounce. So month. Okay, when the month is June, no, it doesn't check for the other condition because in the logical OR, when one condition is true, that means it's a true. Okay, and we can print here that the season is it's rainy season. Okay. Now let's say the month is not neither it's June nor July, August, September. Okay. In that case, we write another 4 months. Okay, names in here. Else if hold on. So put it in here. If else if okay, let's put it only M because it's taking a lot of space there. Okay, so October, okay, then November, December, and January. Okay. So when your month is, let's say here we put November. So here all the conditions are wrong. Okay. And in here the first condition is wrong, but the second condition is true. So that's when it enters into this block. Okay. Because in the logical OR only one condition has to be true. So in this case, second condition is true. So it's printing, it's a winter. Okay. And now one more, else if we require. See, in this one, we have to put in here February, March, April, and May. Okay. So it's a summer. And let's say user puts something else, like user puts some random string like ABC, let's say, just to check your software is working fine or not. Okay. What does it give you? So in that case, in the else part, you have to say, please enter valid month. Please enter valid month. Okay. All right. So this is the program that you can do. So let's run this program. Check the semicolon. Okay, all the syntax. All right. So it's saying please enter valid month. See, the month is ABC. So here you have to use, one of the month in here. Okay. So we put March. It says it's a summer. Okay. When we say October, it says winter. Okay. You got it? Let me send this program to you. You understand this LC ladder program?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So likewise, you can develop many other applications. Okay. Uh, all right. So we can see switch now. Okay. So switch statement, it evaluates, expression and it compares its results with a value in a set. Okay. It's like, C programming, what we have learned switch. Okay. It's the same way. Okay. So the syntax is, quite similar to the, syntax with C programming switch. Okay. And let me share that to you. So in this one, so switch is a case value one, case value two, case value three, and default. Default is like just like this. Okay. This default is just same as else in else if ladder. When not a single condition, okay, it matches, okay, like this condition and these conditions, okay, and all these conditions, okay, it fails. In that case, it goes to else, okay. All right, so that it tells you like what to do when none of the conditions it matches. Okay, so that is what default it is. All right. So in this one, what you can do, let me just comment it here, the switch syntax, and we can write one switch program. Okay. So what you can do in the switch program is, we can give a day number. Okay, let's say we give one, we can say it's a Sunday. We give two, it's a Monday. Okay, and finally we can print, day name. Okay, so we have to take integer and string variables. Okay, so let's do that program. Okay, let's convert this program. So in this one, I think we need to refresh the browser. Okay, let me share this code to you and let me refresh this. So in here, I have to create one integer variable. It's a day number. Okay. If we give one, it should suppose to print it's a Sunday. So what we can do is we can use switch and day number. Okay. Day number is the value. Okay. So case value. So, okay. So this variable's value matches with the case value. Okay. Then it's going inside. Okay. Here we can print it's a Sunday. And here break is important, okay? Otherwise it will fall through. It will fall through like another case statements. Okay. Okay, so let's when the day number is 2, we can say print it's Monday and we can put print. Okay. So for the other, number of days, okay, other days we can just do copy paste. Okay, so we can have uh, day number 3, day number 4, day number 5, day number 6, and then last day number 7. Here we can say it's a Tuesday, and then Thursday, Friday, and then in here last one is 7. We say it's Saturday. Okay, Sunday we already used it. And in here we put defaults. Say you put day number. So day number we don't have 10 days. Okay. So we say please enter valid day number. Okay. And if you don't use break, that is okay, because even if it falls through, no, you are reaching the end of the switch. Okay. So break is important, guys. Okay. It's very, very important. So now let's test this program. Okay. All right. So let's run this. It will print Monday. Okay. And when we say here 5, it says it's Thursday. And when we say 9, and it says please enter valid day number. Okay, so here we can do one more thing, like string. We say what day is, okay, it's a string. Okay, and we can put in here like this also you can do. Okay, like day is equal to Sunday. Okay, like this also you can, but finally you can print Okay, finally you can print this after switch. Okay, so finally here you can say Tuesday, Wednesday. We are first putting it in a variable. Okay, and then we'll be printing after switch. And here Saturday. And finally here we'll print with day and put in here semicolon. Okay. And here also we can put a message in day is equal to please enter valid day number. All right, so this is also fine. So it will say please enter valid day number. Okay, so let me just share this program to you. All right. Do you understand this program? Switch.
Yes.
Okay, so it's a very easy program. Okay, you can do fall through. You can group the switch that we can see in the next session. Okay, so let me just end this session and we can meet in the new session. Okay.